Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, it's a little early for holiday card. Well, actually, no, I think it's about the right time. Today we're going to create a card using the Simon Says Stamp Holiday Sprigs stamp set. It's part of their brand new Peace on Earth release. If you guys haven't had a chance, I'll list the entire release down below. Pretty amazing. We're going to make a mini slimline card today, and I'm taking the second largest die from my mini slimline rectangles die set. This is from Simon Says Stamp, and yeah, I have lots of frames in there. When I originally first got this die set, I created lots of frames before I separated my dies. That way they're evenly spaced, and I put them on the back. But sliding my die in and out, it kind of, they all come out basically. But anyway, I am going to go ahead and stamp my mistletoe sprig on my panel that I just created with those mini slimline rectangle dies. Towards the top, and kind of in the center, I'm using Memento ink because we're going to color it in with Copic markers. On another piece of cardstock, I'm going to stamp both of the poinsettia flowers. And then we're also going to stamp, there is a holly leaf in the stamp set. We're going to stamp 3 of those. This way we can embellish it. The coloring today is going to be very simple. I did leave the coloring in, and then I did list the colors of Copic markers that I used. Basically it's just trio of colors, and I only used 3 colors in total. I used the same colors for my mistletoe as I did for my holly leaves here. And I wanted to go outside of traditional, so let me know about the color combination if you guys like it or not. But I'll play some music while I color, and when I'm done coloring, I will catch you back. Okay, coloring is almost all done. I'm just going to finish up these little berries here. And I chose pinks, pretty bright pinks, and blues. But I think the color combination goes really well with the teal mistletoe and holly. Okay, I did go ahead and fussy cut all of my elements out. I'm pretty sure that the Simon Shop has a die set for this. If they do, I'll list it down below if you guys are interested in coordinating dies and don't like the fussy cut. But once they're fussy cut out, I did add some foam adhesive behind my panel and placed it on my mini slimline card. And as I did that, I realized I forgot my sentiment, and I used 3M foam tape, and usually once 3M foam tape is down, it's down for good. But I made sure I covered the entire back with it. This way I can stamp my sentiment with the foam adhesive there. I'm not sure where I want to put my sentiment. I chose the one that says "Peace to You," so I'm not pressing down on my flowers just yet. We're going to kind of figure out where. I think we're going to go on the bottom right corner with our sentiment. I'm stamping with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and we'll put that in the corner. And actually the foam adhesive works really well for stamping. If there's a gap in between, of course you're not going to get a great impression, but if you're stamping even on fun foam, if you stamp your sentiment, the cushion of the fun foam makes it a really nice impression. But I'm happy with my placement. Now I'm just going to finish off by adding some of my leaves, and that bottom corner just doesn't go right, so I'm going to move this, maybe go right above the piece, and kind of actually creates a C kind of a shape with the swag. And I like it, so I'm going to go with that. Now all we have to do is embellish our card. I'm going to be using some gems. These are from Studio Katia, and they're called Iridescent Snow Crystals. We're going to add a few here and there, and then we're going to finish it off with some glossy accents over our mistletoe berries. But that's my project today. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Have a fabulous rest of your week, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.